I want to let you know in advance this video is unsolicited. If these guys want to send me a little bit of some of this stuff, I'll definitely take it. It's very, very good stuff. So my name's Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair in Clay Motion in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And I hope this video is helpful. Please like it. Send me your comments. If you use this stuff, let me know what you think. Share my video. Most of all, subscribe to my page. Remember, if any other person can do it, you can do it too. Don't be the next to them, be the first to you. Them are my Clayisms that I live by daily. Anyways, so what we've got is uber dirty hands. And in a matter of seconds, I'm going to take all this dirt off with the soap that I found at my local parts store. I believe it's called the Bear Paw. Now this stuff is the ish. It's like a grainy substance. You get your hands a little bit wet and you only have to use a small amount. Basically that'll probably clean both of my hands right there. I'm gonna do it. Sorry I can't show you cleaning my hands, but literally I think about 30-40 seconds I'll be done. This stuff is not for the faint of heart. It's kind of pricey. I hope the price goes down once these guys get known about, but I absolutely love it. I'll show you the end product. I probably won't scrub the crap out of my hands, but I'll show you the end product. Do me a favor, send these guys an email and let them know that you heard about this stuff from Clay. I swear to God, this is totally unsolicited, but you can do some soliciting for me. Tell them Clay Rogers out of Grand Rapids, Michigan. This is what it looks like, and I'm lazy. I don't like cleaning my hands. They're not spotless. If I'd have spent, I literally spent 30 seconds scrubbing my hands, and that was grease and oil. No, I did not do a perfect job because I really don't care. That's why I love this stuff, because it's for lazy people like me that don't need to do it. Subscribe and share my videos. I don't always do this stuff. Generally, you know me, I'm working on cars. I don't generally send shout outs. I don't get paid. I hope to, don't get me wrong, but hey, I love all you guys. Send me your nice comments. Tell me what you think about this stuff. I know you're gonna complain about the price, but I'm hoping that once this stuff gets known, it goes down a bit. It's expensive. I paid $15 for that drum of it, and that's not the smallest one, but that's the next size up, step size up, and it made more sense economically because I continuously buy this. I've owned my shop for I've been working on cars for like 20 years, somewhere right around there, and this is by far the best stuff I've ever used. It's not hard on the hands, no cracking. You know, my hands are still soft. It really is amazing stuff. I'm diabetic, so you know it doesn't spike my blood sugar. I don't know if it's supposed to, but I don't know if that's a claim of theirs or not. But hey, God bless you guys. Thanks much for watching. Have a great day.